Sean from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, complaint is that it's noisy when the unit shuts down. Right now the unit is currently running. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the refrigerator compartment and I'm going to shut the control off, which will shut the unit off, and then see if we hear the noise. What I suspect is it's going to be a compressor, which is located at the back of the rear of the machine, and it's maybe making a knocking noise. So we'll see if we can simulate that noise. So I'm just going to go to the control, which is located right here. I'm going to turn it to the off position, and then I'm going to listen. I don't know if you caught that. There was just a slight little knock. A lot of times it can be much worse where it knocks over and over again. Now if we turn the compressor back on, it won't come on because it's thermally protected. It'll have to cool down, but we'll go ahead and turn it on for now. We'll turn it up all the way so that way it's sure to come back on. And then once it comes back on in a minute, we can try it again and see if we can get the noise again for you. Okay, we're going to attempt to see if we can capture that noise again that the compressor made. The unit, when it runs, it's very, very quiet, so without pulling the unit out, I can't verify the compressor's out, so we may not hear anything yet. We'll have to give it another try. So we're going to open up the door, and we're going to go to the control here, and it's in the on position. We're just going to turn it off, and then we're going to listen. Alright, so the compressor did not come on yet, so we will try this again. And shut the refrigerator off, and then we're going to listen. Just a slight little knock again, so it's very subtle. Like I said, typically they do get much worse than that, much louder. It'll knock a couple times and bang around. So the only way to fix that would be to replace the compressor, because internally in the compressor, it's just, we'll say it's sloppy. For this unit that's already 11 years old, it's not going to be cost effective. It's a pretty simple unit to begin with. So we'll get the customer the information and see how they'd like to proceed. Thank you for watching another quality in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.